The White House says a coronavirus vaccine will be available sooner rather than later.
And that is despite a different timeline from the Centers for Disease Control. CBS 2's Dick Brennan here now with more on what the president is saying tonight. Dick.
Maurice and Christine, the president said yesterday that his CDC director was confused and mistaken when it came to vaccines and masks. But his comments left some Americans confused over just when the administration will have a vaccine widely available. Today, the White House tried to set the record straight.
Left-wing mobs have torn down statues.
President Trump speaking at the National Archives with a speech aimed at his base, but not mentioning the firestorm he triggered yesterday.
You have two questions. Maybe he misunderstood both of them.
The president contradicted his CDC director, Robert Redfield, on when a vaccine would be widely available.
I think we're probably looking at late second quarter, third quarter, 2021.
Under no circumstance will it be as late as the doctor said.
Today, the White House pushed the president's narrative, saying the CDC isn't the only agency involved in the deployment and distribution of a vaccine.
While Dr. Redfield may have a timeline in mind, to my knowledge, he hasn't had intimate discussions with those processes.
Chief of Staff Mark Meadows was asked when the vaccine would be widely available.
What we're shooting for is to try to make sure that we have 100 million doses in that first tranche. From there would be a second tranche that would get us up to the 300 million plus doses. That timeline for the 300 million is set as a January timeline.
The president yesterday also questioned Redfield's statements on how masks are crucial to fighting the virus.
They work, and they are our best defense.
He said, I think I answered that question incorrectly.
On CTM, former CDC Director Tom Frieden backed Redfield's analysis.
Masks are really important, and what we've learned clearly is that the more people wear them consistently, the more you can protect everyone.
And today, vice presidential candidate Kamala Harris blasted President Trump's response to the virus.
He said to the American people, it's a hoax. He muzzled public health experts.
Now, tonight, President Trump will hold a rally in Wisconsin, and tomorrow, both the president and Democratic nominee Joe Biden will campaign in Minnesota the same day early in-person voting begins in that very key swing state. Christina Maurice.
All right, Dick, thank you.